Every problem has a solution which aspires our souls to reflect the blank of patience, perseverance, and beliefs. We need to be inspired to step onward to attain the solution so that the problems cannot be sustained anymore. To solve any problem by being aspired soul reflects an overall united and clustered effect of inner vision and inborn virtues rather than the origin or growth of virtues. So choice A and choice D are incorrect answers. On the other hand, to blend or mesh refers to make a uniform product from different ingredients or inputs, but to be aspired to have inspiration, we need to have all the patience, perseverance, and belief in an equal way at the same time as a combined effect or a synergy or unity by having each of the virtue uniquely to attain the solution. So choice E and choice F are also incorrect answers, and the correct answers are choice B and choice C.